Hey everybody, welcome back to TPS Guns, Ted's Pawn Shop in Norwood, Ohio. We're back just to talk a little bit today about a rifle we had some problems with and that my gunsmith Evan fixed here for us. So we have a Springfield Armory 1942 or 43 production. I can't remember offhand, but we took it out to the range and it would not fire. So at first I thought maybe we had bad ammo or something was going on with the ammunition. Turns out that wasn't the case. So our gunsmith Evan took apart the gun, and what did you find out when you took the gun apart?
On the firing pin, the tang that is on the back here was completely sheared off. So it was basically just a pretty easy parts replacement.
So all you really had to do on this one was order a new firing pin, right? Install it, and then fixed it, and you will see the results in a video here at the end of the results. The gun shoots great now. It wasn't the ammunition, it was the gun. So hey, like and subscribe for more content, more cool things coming. Thanks a lot. Take care.